Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Biology Balls MCQ Part 37. I encourage you to learn, to like, to share, and to subscribe. Which one of the following method would be the best for estimating the population density of rats in a bush? A. Dialect counting. B. Quadrant methods. C. Line transect. D. Capture recapture method. And the answer is D. Capture recapture method. By which one of the following processes does carbon dioxide leave the blood capillaries into the alveoli? A. Osmosis. B. Active transport. C. Diffusion. D. Capillarity. And the answer is C. Diffusion. Which one of the following parts of the mammalian ear is concerned with balance? A. Cochlea. B. Eustachian tube. C. Semicircular canal. D. Oval window. And the answer is C. Semicircular canal. Which one of the following would be a correct sequence of plant succession on an abandoned tarmac road? A. Mosses, herbs, shrubs, trees. B. Herbs, mosses, shrubs, trees. C. Shrubs, herbs, trees, mosses. D. Mosses, herbs, trees, shrubs. And the answer is A. Mosses, herbs, shrubs, trees. Which one of the following is likely to cause pollution in water bodies? A. Overfishing. B. Boat racing. C. Use of fertilizers. D. Use of farmyard manure. And the answer is C. Use of fertilizers. When a growing shoot is placed horizontally, it bends upwards after some time. Which of the following best explains the response? A. High oxygen concentration on the upper side inhibits growth on the upper side. B. High oxygen concentration on the lower side makes the lower side grow faster. C. Lack of oxygen on the upper side inhibits growth on the upper side. D. Low oxygen concentration on the lower side makes the lower side grow faster. And the answer is B. High oxygen concentration on the lower side makes the lower side grow faster. Which one of the following is an advantage of vegetative propagation? A. Competition between parent and offspring is minimal. B. Colonization of new habitat is fast. C. Variation among offsprings occurs. D. Maintenance of parental characteristics in offsprings. And the answer is D. Maintenance of parental characteristics in offsprings. Which one of the following excretion products are removed from the body by the kidney? A. Urea, excess water, and excess salts. B. Urea, excess water, and carbon dioxide. C. Carbon dioxide, urea, and excess salts. D. Carbon dioxide, excess water, and excess salts. And the answer is A. Urea, excess water, and excess salts. Which one of the following pairs of organs is important in the digestion of fats? A. Stomach and liver. B. Pancreas and stomach. C. Liver and pancreas. D. Stomach and mouth. And the answer is C. Liver and pancreas. Which of the following describes the carrying capacity of a population? A. Maximum number of organisms that can reproduce freely in a habitat. B. Area occupied by organisms of different species. C. Maximum number of platelets in the blood. D. Maximum number of organisms that can be supported by a specific area. And the answer is D. Maximum number of organisms that can be supported by a specific area. Which one of the following is likely effect of a decrease in the number of platelets in the blood? A. The body may not be able to distribute heat efficiently. B. Blood may not be able to carry enough oxygen. C. The body may not be able to fight diseases. D. There may be prolonged bleeding in case of an injury. And the answer is D. There may be prolonged bleeding in case of an injury. The best explanation for panting of an athlete immediately after a race is to A. Allow fast blood flow from the muscle. B. Take in more oxygen. C. Restore the used up energy. D. Allow fast blood flow to the lungs. And the answer is B. Take in more oxygen. An endosperm is formed in plants when the second male nucleus fuses with the A. Egg nucleus. B. Polar nuclei. C. Antipodal nuclei. D. Embryo sac. And the answer is B. Polar nuclei. Which one of the following is a long-term adaptation of mammals to low-temperature environment? A. Reduction of blood flow to the skin. B. Increase in metabolic rate. C. Raising of hair. D. Deposition of fats under the skin. And the answer is D. Deposition of fats under the skin. Which of the following parts of the nerve cell is concerned with insulation of the axon? A. Axon. B. Cell body. C. Dendron. D. Myelin sheath. And the answer is D. Myelin sheath. Which of the following is known as structure for gaseous exchange in terrestrial plants? A. Seeds. B. Lenticels. C. Stomach. D. Root epidermis. And the answer is C. Stomach. In which part of the kidney tubule does ultrafiltration take place? A. Loop of Henle. B. Collecting duct. C. Glomerulus. D. Proximal tubuli. And the answer is C. Glomerulus. Which of the following is an advantage of being endothermic? A. Promotes the functioning of enzymes efficiently at optimum body temperatures. B. Much food must be consumed so as to generate heat internally. C. Ability to modify behavioral pattern, i.e. regulating the body temperature. D. Slow response to stimuli due to low metabolic rate when the temperature is low. And the answer is A. Promotes the functioning of enzymes efficiently at optimum body temperature. A group of organisms whose members can interbreed and give rise to a fertile offspring is A. Species. B. Genus. C. Order. D. Population. And the answer is A. Species. The following are physiological processes that occur in the body of a mammal. 1. Elimination of urea. 2. Regulation of salts in the body. 3. Regulation of water in the body. 4. Deamination of excess amino acids. Which of them are carried out by the kidney? A. 1, 2, and 4. B. 1, 2, and 3. C. 2, 3, and 4. 5. D. 2 and 3 only. And the answer is B. 1. Elimination of urea. 2. Regulation of salts in the body. And 3. Regulation of water in the body. Dear friends, thank you for participating in Biology Boss MCQ Part 37. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.